Hello guys, so we are now here at the Borneo Tropical Rainforest. We just arrived from Bentulo and now we arrived here in Tropical Rainforest. The road coming here is not so good, but it will be worth it because a lot of nice view here. It's bumping. And we have to register at the entrance here. Tropical Rainforest District. So now we are here entering. I think they need to check our confirmation for our room reservation.
Okay.
So he's checking our there. This is like the payment for the day trip inside the resort. Just getting the information before we can go inside. So now we are entering the waiting for us. Our friend is waiting for us. Start of our journey here in Borneo Tropical Rainforest. So here guys, at the entrance or the road going to the place where we're going to stay, as you see, a lot of palm tree. This is a palm oil, or we call it here sawit. So this is surrounded with palm oil plantation. It's very forest. It's like it's in the middle of a forest. Then they build something like for adventure. Very nice. There. Still way going inside. Look at the surrounding, guys. It's very nice. Oh my god, very nice. Look at that. You have to drive slow and steady. There's a gate here. Okay, there's the gate entrance of
Keep the dinosaurs
Borneo Tropical Rainforest. Dinosaur ka dyan. Oh my god, very nice here. It's like the view is like when we walk there at the Chongwa. Just imagine how this look like at night, love.
You won't walk here.
Yeah, I won't. It's scary, ba?
No, it's not. You make it scary. It's not scary.
Wow. Very nice. So I think this is a very exciting going down?
Yes.
My goodness.
Let's go for us.
No, labi! Ano ba yan? Ay, you know I'm scared ba? Ay, Peter making fun of me. He knows I'm very scared with road. Oh, wow! Wow, you can see the river now. Yeah, maybe the boating will be there, oh. See that one there? Very nice. Look, crocodile, huh? Where's that one? Okay, now it becomes zigzag. There's a lake there. It's holiday here. Start tomorrow for 2 days, Chinese New Year. So this place is fully booked. The sign there. Let us zoom it in. Okay. Wow, feel our passion for nature. Save Mother Earth. Very nice. Okay, we can go ahead. It's very nice. So I think we're almost there. There's another place that we can see already. There's chalet, right? God, it's dark here already. Very nice. This is just like a waiting area.
This way.
Oh, this way. Borneo Tropical Rainforest.
There's a map, but it's all.
This map here, what we can see inside. We should stop, Labi, and so this is the entrance of Borneo Tropical Rainforest, the Rainforest Resort. So this way, still 1.3 kilometer. So there, Peter waiting for me. I go down from the car because I want to see the map. Sorry, it's not so clear, but this will be the. So we are here. This, and look at that. It's very, very, very big. Borneo Tropical Rainforest. Wow. Enter from this side, coming here. I don't know what happened to Peter. He left me here. My goodness. Why he do that one? Don't tell me, just let me walk going there. Oh, now he come back. Okay. Okay guys, I continue later when we're very near at the Rainforest Resort. Yeah, I want to ask him. And why you left me? Huh? Why you left me here? So many mosquito and birds and everything. Say something. I just want to scare me. My goodness. It's very nice to be in nature, out from the city. So there's a direction. There's another map here. To Borneo, tropical rainforest. Must be very careful here. So here we are. We arrived the entrance now, and I think I need to check our confirmation again. Look at that, guys. Very, very nice. Yeah, for sure.
Hi there.
Another check for confirmation.
Yeah, we're gonna stay here, yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Oh, so they asked if we're going to stay here. Okay. So here we are. Borneo. Tropical rainforest. Our friend is there waiting for us.